Hello everybody, my name is Kyle and this is PC Tech and Gaming, and today we are doing a PC build video. Recently my brother requested that his computer built 7 years ago was getting a little bit past muster and it was time for a bit of an upgrade. So we jumped online, we ordered some computer parts and we decided to build him a new gaming PC that he hopes will last another 7 years. I don't know if it will or not, as his previous computer was built in 2013 and we're now only replacing it now. I think it had a pretty good innings, but at the same time I'm not sure if going into the future he'll get another 7 years out of this new computer. But we did try and build it with longevity in mind, so we went for the upper portion of specs rather than probably just getting what would definitely suit him now. We tried to look towards the future as much as you can with PC tech anyway, because as you know, as soon as you buy something in the PC tech world, it's pretty well being made redundant by something that's in research and or being in development now. So anyway, let's start by first having a look at what components we're going to be putting into his system. And then after that we'll go into a PC build montage where we're putting the system together, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. So I hope you enjoy it. This is my first PC build video on the channel, and yeah, just for a bit of fun, just thought we'll chuck this one up and see what you guys reckon. Anyway, let's get into the parts we're putting inside this computer. So here we are. These are the parts we're going to be putting in his computer, so let's go over them one by one. To start off with, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core 16-thread chip built on the Zen 2 architecture. Next we're going to be putting a Silverstone 850 watt gold fully modular power supply inside the system for ease of use and building. We're going with a No Frills T-Force Nighthawk RGB 3000 MHz with a 16 CAS latency memory kit. As I figured this will pretty much do. I mean, as we know, memory speeds don't mean a hell of a lot, depending of course. Next we move on to the motherboard, which is a MSI B550 Tomahawk, so with a bit of PCIe Gen 4 for later on down the track, even though we're not using that at the moment. The case is a Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 5 RGB, because he loves a bit of RGB in the system, so we're going to make it light up all nice and pretty. For the SSD, we went with an NVMe 1TB Crucial P1, and for graphics we went with the mighty Geforce RTX 2080 Super from Zotac. And this is the parts we're going to be putting in his computer. So, without further ado, let's cue building montage. And there we have it, everybody. The computer that we built my brother is complete. And I must say he's very happy with it. He's especially happy with all the RGB and the fact that he can control the lights, which is something very new to him, as the PC of 2013 didn't have that. But yeah, it was a successful build. Didn't run into any hiccups. It pretty well booted first go. There was no posting issues. And yeah, we installed Windows 10 using his Windows 7 Ultimate CD key, so it's nice to know that you can still do that. So he didn't have to buy Windows 10, which was pretty good. And yeah, now he's happily playing all the most latest titles with plenty of speed, and aside from probably the graphics card, which will need updating before 7 years, he hopes that he can get another 7 years out of the base system. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This one was, as I said, a light-hearted building video. I definitely enjoyed building this PC for my bro. And up and coming, I'll be doing 2 more PC builds that I'll be posting on the channel. One will be our new editing system. The other will be our new benchmarking system for the channel. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to see them ones, or just if you like the content, please subscribe. It really helps out a lot with the channel, and being we are a new PC tech channel, I just want to continue to grow it. And yeah, if you liked the video, please hit like. If you didn't like it, hit dislike as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.